Hello you guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're working on adding a key on a Discovery. That using a key looks like that. The year for this is 17, so it's December 16, which means 17. Now, usually on this car you're gonna need to remove the KVM, but in this car there is no comfort access. Means if the car is locked and I'm coming to this area, I cannot open the door automatically and I need to press that. And on those kind of vehicles, we should be able to do that with the key cloning. So we're gonna try to do that method like that. So we're not gonna need to remove the KVM when doing that job. So what we're gonna have prepared is XP400, the IM508, and we're gonna prepare an Autel key in this case. So we're just gonna generate that in the right way. And this one is the 315. And we generate the universal key, and I'm gonna connect that to the car, and I will see you then. So we are connected in the car with the setup, and we're just gonna go to Land Rover. And just because we have a key, we can put the car in on position, but you can also do that when all keys are lost. And here we're gonna go control unit, and we're gonna go keyless system, and we're gonna go key cloning, not the all key lost version. Well, we just place the car in off position. And we must use an Autel key, so we're just gonna press OK. And we're gonna need to connect the programmer and put the original key. So place the learn key in the sensing area. So if you don't place that here, the key will not work, so you must do that. So we're gonna place the learn key. And the current ID was successful. The key is an original key. And we don't have another key to read, so we're just gonna hit no. Now we're gonna place a key to add, so we're just gonna place a generated key. And generation is successful, and we don't want to generate another key, so we're just going to hit no. So in this case, this key should be done and this key should be still working. So it's always very important to test both keys, especially on this key. So I'm just going to place the key far away. And now we have only the Autel, so we can see that the remote is working. And now we're gonna try to start the car. So again, the key is right here. And the car starts right away without any problems. So it's working the proximity. But again, make sure guys, this version will only work for the models that does not have the proximity access. So don't attempt to do that for the other cars, because you're just going to need to put the key on the sensing area every time, and it's not going to be ideal. And also make sure you read the customer key before, because it's not going to work after you do that. So now after we tested this, we're just going to take that out, and we're going to make sure that also the customer key works fine. So we're just gonna set it up here, and hopefully everything is perfect. So again guys, this is how you can do add a key and all key lost. It doesn't matter. Just keep in mind that if you don't read, let's say in the all key lost situation, the old key will not work for the car forever. So just keep in mind that. But this will be a nice way to add them without taking everything apart and making a whole big deal out of it. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video.